So, since I was running this radar detector, I had to cut my zip tie because I got caught in the dashboard. All the way somewhere up there. Who knows where it is, the rest of it. I think you see it. Is it right there somewhere? Anyway, I'm going to show you how to take the glove box out. Since I had to get it out to run a wire. One screw, one screw, one screw. This, we had to pop back in. You don't even have to. See? But to get the drill in, you might as well squeeze them, pull them out, and you got two more. One right there, and one right there. And those are these guys. They're sitting upward. One right here, and the other one is right there. So 5 screws, Phillips head. Gotta pop this guy out of the way, which is just a pot panel. Look at this. All this to run a single wire. So there you go. Pop her straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the glove box pops in your hand. So there's your glove box. So now we will go back to doing what we were originally doing. Get this guy out of the way. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.